The Stealth is like nothing we've ever made before. The level of mobility, the level of comfort, the level of stretch. It is the industry's first use of stretch Gore-Tex. No other snowmobile garment in the world has used stretch Gore-Tex. The way to really feel how great this thing is and to see how great it works is put it on. Once you put this thing on, you instantly feel the difference between this jacket and bib and any other jacket and bib in the industry.
The Stealth is a game changer for riders, riders who ride technical. And with traditional pants, there's always going to be that snag. There's going to be that material between your knee and your hip that's going to catch and limit your motion. With the Stealth, you don't get that. You get unlimited mobility that gives you the ability to do all of the maneuvers that you need to in the backcountry to get where you want to go.
It has exceptionally great venting in it. We've actually integrated into the Stealth piece some venting that we've learned from the motorcycle industry and have been amazed at how effective it is at keeping you cool while you're riding in snow conditions.
You know, the Stealth does have our climb standard of durability. We have overlays in the high wear areas that are, oh, by the way, they're stretch as well. Just about everything on this piece is stretch. From the snow skirt, the snow boot gaiter, the hand pockets. This thing just it's just stretchy. It's mobile. It's crazy.
You feel like you're putting on a well broke in pair of jeans.
I could get out of bed, put my Stealth pants on, and wear them all day long in the truck to the hill, all day when I'm riding, and all the way back home. And I'm not going to worry about being wet. I'm not going to get the seats in my pickup wet. They just flat out perform.
I feel spoiled. I'll never go back to any other piece. You've really got to go try the Stealth on. It just tells its own story. The comfort, the mobility, the range of motion. It's just amazing the way it moves, the way it feels, the way it functions when you're on your sled.